Alright, it's Sunday, July 17th at 11:29 a.m. And I thought I should just document this just in case something goes horribly wrong. My neighbor has been removing this tree, this nuisance tree that's chewing up his foundation of his house. He's been doing it himself a bit at a time. And not doing too bad a job of it, but he's getting into the part that's kind of overhanging over my property, my fence, my house. So I thought I'd just, get some before pictures in case something goes horribly wrong. He may be a little bit out of his depth with this. Bad things could happen. We'll see. Hope not. Whoa. I think so. Wait a minute. Do you want him to pull it now?
Huh?
What do you want him to do? You want him to pull now or wait? Wait. He's rearranging his ladder. Car coming. Go! All right. Not too bad. I was losing faith in you there for a bit, but you landed it perfectly.
I wasn't.
Well, it wasn't hanging over your house.
Hey. Great job.
Not so great. It run right on the tire.
Huh?
Oh, you're gonna need a clutch job soon too, I think.
Yeah. Yeah. Could you back up just a little bit? Hold on. Wait a minute. Maybe. Yeah.
Oh, you missed everything. You didn't even hit the basketball hoop. I didn't care if you.
I told you it wouldn't.
I didn't even care if you took that down.